Hi, I'm Devi Bhavani. I'm currently pursuing my BTech 4th year in Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. Recently, I have placed in Amazon Web Services for the role of CSA with the CTC of 19 LPA. In this moment, I want to share my experiences of getting placed in AWS. Aditya Educational Institutions is having a very great asset called Technicalhub, in which the students can learn all the booming technologies. And I don't know how many students of Aditya institutions are taking part of this, but I took part in my first year in this Technicalhub and learned some technologies, and today I'm here. In this point, I want to share my Technicalhub journey with you. In my first year, I joined the T-Hub and started my journey with the course of IoT. Mr. Sandeep sir trained me in this course, and I also have the hands-on experience because we are having the IoT lab in our Technicalhub. And I also participated in the IoT hackathon conducted by our Technicalhub, and I did a project. For this, I can surely tell that I am one step ahead when compared to my course students, because in my second year itself, I have a project in my hand. And for this, I want to thank the whole Technicalhub team because of conducting all these kind of competitions and encouraging the students to build their confidence. And in my third year, I joined the Technicalhub again for the course of AWS, and Mr. Vijay sir trained me to a very great extent in this AWS course, and I also secured 3 digital badges in AWS. Exactly 1 year back, a training program was started by the Technicalhub for this Amazon Drive, and I was a part of the Technicalhub training program and learned 4 technologies that are CCNA, Red Hat, AWS and Python. These are the key technologies for this Amazon Drive. And we have 4 trainers for this, Mr. Shaifu sir, Vijay sir, Veerbabu sir and Sudhir sir. They supported, encouraged us a lot and motivated when I was low, and these all happened only because of that trainers. And I would like to thank Mr. Satish Reddy sir and Babji sir for taking such a great decision to train the students for this Amazon Drive. And I thank all the 4 trainers for being with me all the time for making this happen. Thank you so much, Technicalhub.